Craving means a very strong desire or wish for something. In simple words, craving equals wanting something a lot. A craving can be for food like chocolate or pizza, drinks like coffee or juice, activities like playing games or watching a movie, experiences like traveling or shopping. Craving is more than normal desire. It is strong and urgent. Very easy examples. I have a craving for chocolate. I really want chocolate. She felt a craving to watch her favorite movie. She wanted to watch it badly. More simple example sentences. He has a craving for ice cream. They have a craving for adventure. Pregnant women sometimes have food cravings. Daily life situations. Students can have cravings for snacks after school. Gamers may have cravings to play their favorite game. Cravings can be for anything a person really wants. Student-friendly sentence. I had a craving for pizza after a long day. Important point to remember. Craving is different from normal liking. It is strong, intense, and sometimes hard to ignore. Easy memory tip. Craving equals strong desire.